Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can kick someone out of your server on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my server on Discord. I'm going to open up this server and then I'm going to go to the server setting by clicking on this icon. We can click on the server settings and then we're going to scroll down until we find the members. Okay, and these are the members of my server, and I'm going to kick one of them. If we want to kick someone out of our server, we need to right click on it and then we just need to click on kick. But I'm not gonna do that guys. Here I just want to show you the step to kick someone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to kick someone out of your server on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.